Hi, and take a look at the 2019 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, roof rack, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.